Hi, I'm Rodney Feldman here at the SECO booth at Embedded World North America. At the show, we've been showing some AI-based demos in our booth. One of them is right here, which is a factory automation scenario. It utilizes SECO's Modular Vision smart panel PC, has a Qualcomm QCS6490 microprocessor in it, connected to a camera. So the scenario is we're doing assembly inspection on a circuit board assembly line. There's an algorithm that runs on the AI processor inside the Modular Vision. Okay, so we're inspecting this circuit board here. So you're doing image capture, inspect. The AI processor is doing its analysis and has concluded that the assembly is okay. If we remove a part, which in this case is a USB connector, and do a new inspection, we capture, inspect, it's missing the USB 3 connector. So just a scenario that shows what you can do with the power of an AI processor.